Hey guys, welcome to vlog number 51. We're here again with Fox, my friend, and what are we making today?
Auto watering system.
Yeah, so basically it's an auto watering system. As you guys can see, the middle PVC pipe has some holes. It's not supposed to be on the top, it was just a prototype, but there's gonna be holes on the bottom for the water to come out, and there's a motor to pump the water from a bucket or anywhere, a water source, into this PVC pipe, which then sprinkles the water. It can be for plants, or it can be for pet showers, or even babies if you are willing to put them through this test. But basically we are making this piece from the pegboard we showed you guys yesterday. So this is what we had finished of it. So here are the holes for the Arduino Pro Mini and also the Wi-Fi board, and here are some chips that are already on the market for sale. So we are going to assemble our own in the afternoon. So for the morning we have this piece, and that's it for this part. I will see you guys after lunch break. So we just finished the class and we're here with Fox with our finished product. Our program hasn't been written yet, and you know this thing can actually be reverse engineered because there's a pump, so you can reverse engineer it so that you know, if there's a air supply, you can just plug it in, and this can be your breathing tube, so that works. And it's a motor inside, so it kind of works like a fire alarm, and it produces that whining sound when he blows on it. And also, this is the bandsaw we used, and this is all of the leftover stuff, and it's like, you know, a really good salt thing with a twist, which is blue. And this is our finished chip. This is entirely finished, and all we need to do is just attach it on there and finish off the Arduino programming, which is gonna be for next week. So stay tuned for that. Oh, and also I have a big announcement for tomorrow. It's something that's connected to a few previous projects. So I will see you guys tomorrow for the big announcement. Thanks for watching.